Skandara Member of Parliament Alice Wahome is now accusing President Uhuru Kenyatta of championing a change of the constitution for selfish political reasons aimed at extending his grip on power. This comes as Murang'a Governor Mwangi wa Iria is vying to go all the way in 2022. Our senior political affairs reporter Kennedy Mureithi has more.
For the second year running, Kandara MP Alice Wahome, who broke ranks with President Uhuru Kenyatta and now Deputy President William Ruto's biggest defender, is turning the heat on the president, accusing him of destroying bridges already built in place. In a terse statement to media, the second time MP lashed out at the president for pushing for a referendum she affirms is not critical to the nation at the moment.
It is not possible for one person, irrespective of the fact that we respect you and we know that you are the head of state, for one person to carry the dream alone, to be able to say they discern a constitutional moment on behalf of Kenyans.
According to Wahome, the push for a constitutional change is personal for the president.
You are attempting to walk the path of changing the constitution to retain control of state power, while even outside, through a facade of democracy, is not present. We must vehemently reject this new tactic.
Wahome, who remains steadfast in her support to the deputy president, holds that President Kenyatta has betrayed those he helped him ascend to power for new allies.
President Uhuru Kenyatta, I said then, and I still reiterate, remains the single biggest threat to the constitution, democracy, devolution, and economy in this country.
Meanwhile, Murang'a Governor Mwangi wa Iria now says he will not abandon his presidential ambitions for 2022 when his 2 terms as governor come to an end. Wairia considers himself the second most experienced politician from Mount Kenya, having won a second term, and representing the interests of the region at the national level is what is left.
Mimi nataka kuungwa mkono na watu wa Murang'a na watu wa Central na watu wale wengine. Mimi ifikapo 2022 mimi nitajiwasilisha katika kinyang'anyiro cha urais wa taifa ya Kenya.
Wairia now joins a long list of politicians from Mount Kenya who have either expressed interest in the top seat or deputizing a contender from another part of the country.
Mimi naomba watu wa Murang'a wanipatie kula 600, watu wa Kirinyaga wanipatie zao 400, watu wa Nyandarua wanipatie 400, watu wengine wanipatie, Wakisii wanipatie, Luhya na wale wengine, tukae kwa kikao. Wale wengine walete kula zao, mimi nilete kula zangu, tuongee kama taifa.
Wairia says he will run for president on his Civic Renewal Party ticket. Kennedy Mureithi, NTV.